Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Alright, so in this video we want to look at this beautiful concept. It's a question from SAT math exam. Of course, this is one of the three approach of SAT in asking their questions. Alright, so here we are asked to find the function that will produce this table. So ordinarily, this is just the same thing as giving these points, this particular table values as points, because the first value here means 1, which is the x, and then the y value is 5. The second one is 3, and the y value is 13, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now what is the idea here? Ordinarily, someone would want to use the trial and error method to see which of the functions will satisfy this table. And of course we can try that. Let's see, for instance, if we put 1 into the first function, it's going to give us 5. That's f of 1 there is going to be 2 times 1 plus 3, which is 5. But will 3 give us 13? Let's see. If you put 3 here, you get 6. 6 plus 3 is not 13, so it has failed. That means this is not correct. So you go to the second one. If you put 1, you will get 5. If you put 3, will you get 13? 3 here is 9 plus 2 is 11. This is not true. We go to the third one. Put 1, you will get 5. If you put 3 here is 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. Then we move on to the third one. If you put 5 here, 20 times 5 is 21 plus 1, 21. So these satisfied the 3 functions. Let's check the fourth one. Yeah, if you put 1, you get 5. Put 3, you will not get 13. So this is also not true. So that means only this satisfies the function. Now, but the issue is the trial and error method could actually be helpful if the number of entries we have is little. Like here we just have 3. But what if you have a table where the entries are up to 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on? Are you going to continue putting on entries? That would not be feasible because of time. So what are you expected to do? So like we said here, this is normal question of determining the equation of a straight line, because this is a straight line function. Already it was said here that it's a linear function, and linear functions are straight line graphs, and there are a number of formulas for determining the equation or the function of a straight line. And one of the ones that we will use here is the one where you're given point and a slope. So you can use any of these points and then the slope of this particular function. And so what is that formula? It says that y minus y1 is equal to the slope multiplied by x minus x1. And so in this case, what's our y1 and x1? Our y1 and x1 are the y value and the x value of the point you chose. So you can actually use this as your x1, y1, or this. If you use this as your x1, y1, then this one will now be your x2, y2. Okay, because you're going to be needing x2, y2 to get the slope. In fact, let's quickly do that. So for our slope will be y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. This is written as change in y all over change in x. Okay, so if I substitute into that, I'm going to have my y2 now, which is the second one here, that's 13 minus the first one, which is 5, all over the second x here, which is 3, minus the first there, which is 1. So this is going to give us 8 all over 2, and the value of our m is 4. Okay, so we can now quickly substitute. So we are going to have y minus our y1 is 5 equal to slope, which is 4, into x minus x1, which is 1. Right, so here we are then going to open our brackets. That's going to give us 4x minus 4. Of course, 4 is multiplying the terms in the bracket, and so our y is going to be equal to 4x. Of course, minus 5 coming over here will become positive 5, and negative 4 plus 5 is going to be plus 1. Alright, and of course you know your y is the same as the f of x, and that is equal to the 4x plus 1 as we got with the trial and error method. And of course, like we've already seen, if you put in these values 1, 3, 5, you will definitely get these values here. So this is a better approach, and this is what they require that you use in solving this problem. Is fast and then very easy to do. All right, so if this was helpful, let me see what you got from this exercise. Let me have the solution to this. What will be your f of x for this particular table of values? All right, kindly subscribe to our channel. Do give a thumbs up to this video. We will see you in our next content. Bye.